Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Fiverr application on your laptop. To download Fiverr application on your laptop is quite simple. You'll need to first download an Android emulator, so go ahead and download any Android emulator of your choice. Once you've done that, launch the Android emulator open. Here I have BlueStacks Android emulator installed on my PC. You can also go ahead and download the BlueStacks Android emulator by opening up a web browser and typing in www.bluestacks.com and simply download the application. Once you have the BlueStacks app player, click it open and log in with your Google account. Open up your Play Store by clicking on this Play Store option and go to the search box at the top and type in Fiverr and perform your search. Once you see this Fiverr freelance service application on your screen, click the install button to begin the downloading process. Now wait until the application is downloaded, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. So once it is completed with the installation process, click on the open button, and that's how you can easily download Fiverr application on your laptop or PC. You can now find the application on your home page of BlueStacks app player.
How to download the Fiverr application on your mobile device. To download the Fiverr application on your mobile device, first make sure to tap Open your App Store or your Play Store. Also, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. And once the search bar appears on your screen, tap it on and type in Fiverr. Perform your search and you'll be able to see the application, which looks like this. Fiverr is a freelance service and it is a leading online marketplace for digital freelance services. It provides instant access to a global network of remote freelancers. In order to download the application on your mobile device, tap on the Get button in blue and wait for the application to be downloaded. Once the application is downloaded and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an Open button popping up. Give it a tap in order to launch the app open. That's how you can easily download the Fiverr application on your mobile device. Simply go ahead and tap the sign in button on the bottom left and start logging into your account.
How to create and join Fiverr account. Simply open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in www.fiverr.com and press enter on a keyboard. From the official webpage of Fiverr, which looks like this, in order to join in and create a new account, go to the top right hand corner and click on the join button. You can join Fiverr with your Facebook account, Google account, or with your Apple account, or you can also choose to enter a valid email address. Enter your email into the text box appearing on the screen and click on the continue button. On the next page, you'll need to choose a username for yourself. Type in the username that you'd like to use and make sure to type in a unique username. Once you have a valid username typed in, go ahead and choose a password for yourself and type it in the next field. Make sure that your password consists of an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number, and it is at least 8 characters or longer. After choosing a password for yourself, click the join button and you'll be able to create a new account or join in to a Fiverr account. Fiverr is known as the world's largest marketplace for digital services. It offers both buyers and sellers a digitally streamlined transactional platform. How to create a gig on Fiverr. The services you offer and sell in the marketplace is known as a gig. With your gig, you can easily showcase your talent to the potential buyers and provide them with all the information they need before they choose to place an order with you. In order to create a gig on Fiverr.com account, first open up a web browser and make sure that you are logged into your Fiverr account. Here I have been logged into my Fiverr.com account. Make sure that you are logged in as well. Now, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your profile icon. Click the profile icon from the expanded menu, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this active gig option. In order to create a new gig, you can simply click on this little button that says create a new gig from the display. Now, where it says gig title, go ahead and make sure that your title is short, clear, and to the point. Start with I will and type in your gig title in the first text box. Once you type in the title for yourself, go ahead and select a category from the next drop down, select a subcategory, and remember that Fiverr recommends these options based on your title. After you are done selecting your category and your subcategory, in the gig metadata option, select the relevant criteria for each topic. Here, let's select the language first. You can also provide all the necessary information. For example, you can choose your document type from the options, select your industry expertise, if any, and in the search tags option, go ahead and add 1 to 5 words or phrases that best describes your gig. After you are done filling in all of the information on this page, click on Save and Continue. On the next step, you need to go ahead and describe the details of your offering in the area provided. Type in the name of your package under Basic, Standard, or Premium. Give your package a catchy title that describes what it includes. And after you're done filling all of the information on this page, click on Save and Continue. Now on the next page, type in the description for your gig. You can briefly describe your gig up to 1200 characters in the text box. You can be as detailed as possible so buyers are able to determine if your gig meets their needs. You can also add a URL on your description. You can go ahead and be detailed as much as you want, and after you are done, click on the Save and Continue button at the bottom right. On the next page, add an answer to the most commonly asked question. Click on this button that says Add New Question and add a question you think buyers may ask in the text box, and once you add a question, click the Add button and click on the Save and Continue. On the next page, you can upload files up to 5 GB. Go ahead and upload up to 3 images so that you can encourage buyers to choose your gig by featuring a variety of your work. Click the Browse button and choose the picture you would like to upload. You can upload images, videos, or documents. Once you select your document and upload it on this page, click on the Save and Continue button at the bottom right. And finally, publish your gig by completing this last form. If you are a US resident, click on Yes, and if you're not a US resident, click No. After you are done, click on Save at the bottom right, and you are done creating a gig on your Fiverr account. Click Close. After you are done clicking the Save button, scroll down and click on Publish Gig in order to publish your gig on Fiverr. Click Done, and that's how to create a new gig on Fiverr.com account. How to log into your Fiverr account on a web browser. Open up a web browser to get started. Go to the URL box in the top and type in www.fiverr.com and press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you find yourself in the official site of Fiverr.com, go to the top right and click on the sign in link. In the sign in area popping up on your screen, you can either choose to continue logging in with your Facebook, Google, or your Apple account, or if you've chosen the email address option while signing up for your Fiverr account, you'll need to type in the email address and the password that you created while signing up in the text boxes. Start off by typing in your email in the first text box and type in your password on the next field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, make sure to leave this Remember Me box checked for this particular device, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. After typing in your credentials right, click the Continue button and you'll be able to log in back to your Fiverr.com account. How to change your Fiverr account's password. So now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in www.fiverr.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you are logged into your Fiverr.com account as well, and once you are in the main home page, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your name initial. From the pop-up displayed on the screen, click on Settings. From this page, click on the Security button on the left-hand side of the screen, and you'll be able to change password option. Type in the current password of your Fiverr.com account in the first text box. Make sure to type in your password correct and head over to the next field and type in the new password you would want to change to for your Fiverr account. Once you type in the new one, go to the next field where it says Confirm Password and retype it again. Once both of the passwords in the new password and confirm password text boxes matches, click the Save Changes button and you'll be able to change your Fiverr.com account's password quick and easy. Next time you log into your account, remember that your password has been recently changed.
How to change your phone number on Fiverr account. If you want to change your Fiverr account's phone number, then the process is quite simple. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar, type in fiverr.com or www.fiverr.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Fiverr account as well, and once you are inside the main home page, click on your profile initial at the top right hand corner. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Once you open up your Settings menu, click on Security from the left hand side of the screen. Now, scroll down and click the Edit button right next to Phone Verification. Once you click it on, enter the security questions answer in order to verify your identity. Once you type in your answer, click Continue. And now, enter your old phone number in the text box. Click on Continue after you are done. And now, on the next page, enter the new phone number for your Fiverr account. You can now choose to verify your new phone number either by SMS or by call. Select any one option. In my case, I'm going to choose Verify by SMS, and on the next page, enter the verification code sent to your mobile number via SMS. After typing in the code, click on Submit Code and you'll be able to change your phone number on Fiverr.com account. Pretty easy, isn't it?
How to change your username on your Fiverr.com account. To change your username on your Fiverr account, first make sure to open up a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in www.fiverr.com and press enter on your keyboard, and also make sure that you are logged into your Fiverr account. To change your username on Fiverr, you'll also need to verify your email address. If you've not done that yet, go ahead and open up your email inbox and activate your Fiverr account first. After you are done verifying your email, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the profile picture. From the pop-up displayed on the screen, click on Settings. Once you go to the settings, you'll be able to see this interface. Your username on your Fiverr account is your unique identity, so it cannot be changed. If you want to change your username, you need to close your account by selecting a region from the drop-down and click on the Deactivate button. Create a new account by changing the username in it according to your choice. That is the only way you'll be able to change your username. But if you want to change your display name on your Fiverr.com account, then you can simply go ahead and enter the full name in the first text box from your account settings page.
How to hire someone on Fiverr. If you want to hire someone on your Fiverr account, then first open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.fiverr.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you are logged into your Fiverr account. And once you are inside the main home page, go to the search box at the top and type in the service you are looking for today. For example, let me click on this logo animation. If you want to hire someone to do animation for a logo, then you'll be able to see that there are lots of search results based on your search. You can select a category or service according to your choice. And once you find someone you can hire, click on the Contact Me button. Once you find the freelancer providers that matches your project and your budget, go through their page. You can go through this About This Gig area, and after you are sure you'd like to hire this particular freelancer, go ahead and select the package that you'd like to purchase and click on the Continue button. Select how often you need this order and click on the Continue button at the bottom. It will also tell you the price that you need to pay. Once you click on the Continue button, on the next page you can also select for extras. Choose the extras you'd want to include on your hire and click on Continue to Checkout button on the right hand corner. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end, and once you are done, you'll be able to hire someone to get your work done on Fiverr.
How to recover your Fiverr account's password. If you're trying to log in or sign into your Fiverr account but you don't remember your password during the process, simply open up a web browser and go to www.fiverr.com and press enter on your keyboard, and from the official web page of Fiverr, go and click the sign in link at the top right. In the sign in area, you'll need to type in your email associated with your Fiverr.com account and its password. If you don't remember your password during the process, you can click on this Forgot Password link beneath the Continue button in order to get help resetting your password. Enter your email address associated with your Fiverr.com account and click on the Submit button. A password reset instruction has been emailed to you. Simply open up a new tab and log into your email service provider that is associated with Fiverr, and you should receive an email from Fiverr stating reset your Fiverr password. Give it a click to open and click on the reset your password box after you open up the email. Now you get to choose a new password for your Fiverr account. Go ahead and type in the password you'd like to change to or reset to and confirm the password in the next field by retyping it again. After you are done typing in the new password, you can click the change button. That way you can easily reset your password for your Fiverr account or recover your Fiverr account's password even if you've forgotten it during logging in. How to delete a gig on Fiverr account. Go and open up a web browser and make sure that you're logged into your Fiverr account. Type in www.fiverr.com into the search bar and perform your search. Make sure that you are logged into your Fiverr account as well. Once you're inside, go and click on your profile name at the top right. Click on the Profile tab from the pop-up menu. You can easily delete your gig by going to the Active Gigs tab on the screen and click on the three dots right beneath your gig. Click the Advanced option and click on the Delete Gig option from the bottom left in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, in the pop-up, confirm your selection by clicking Delete, and that's how you can delete an active gig on Fiverr. Deleting your gig will not hamper your account in any way, so you can easily do it with just a simple click. How to log out of your Fiverr account on a web browser. From your home page of your Fiverr account to log out of it. If you want to log out of your Fiverr account, make sure that you're inside your account first. From the main home page, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your name initial. Once you do that, in the pop-up appearing, click on the log out button. Once you log out of your account, you'll be able to see the main home page of Fiverr. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of Fiverr account.
How to delete your Fiverr account. If you want to delete or deactivate your Fiverr account, then the process is quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice. Make sure that you are logged into your Fiverr account. Type in www.fiverr.com in the search bar and perform your search. Make sure that you are also logged into your account that you'd like to delete. Once you are, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your profile icon. Before deleting your account, you must know that you won't be able to close your account if you have any funds available on your account. So withdraw your balance before you begin deletion. Remember that it won't be possible to create a new Fiverr account using the same email address in the future. So if you ever decide to create a new Fiverr account, then you must have a different email address that you've never used before. Once you're inside the main homepage, click on your profile icon at the upper right hand corner and click on the settings button from the expanded menu. From this page, scroll down until you see this account deactivation option. It'll tell you what will happen when you deactivate your account. Your profile and gigs won't be able to show up in your Fiverr account anymore. Any active orders will be cancelled and you won't be able to reactivate your gigs ever again if you delete your account. Select the reason why you are choosing to leave your Fiverr account and click on the deactivate account button. Once you do that, you'll end up in the main homepage of Fiverr, which means you have successfully deleted your Fiverr account. Pretty easy, isn't it? That is how you can easily delete or deactivate your Fiverr account if you don't want to use it anymore. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.